So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make an AI generated video for your YouTube channel using only one app or one software, that is CapCut. Okay, so this is a new feature that CapCut has brought. This is called script to video. So basically, you can change a script into a video. Okay, so let's click on this thing, script to video, and it gives this space to write a script. Okay, you can either generate script from ChatGPT and paste here, or better way or easier way is AI writer that's already there in CapCut. Click on this AI writer. Okay, so in this space you just write what kind of script you need, uh, what topic. Okay, so basically, okay, let's say write me a script of a YouTube video that script for, let's say script for a YouTube video that talks about how to let's say how to make uh, um, engaging content for YouTube. Okay, and write me let's say we'll say write me a 1 minute long script. Okay, after that just click on this thing, this arrow, click. Okay, now the software is going to work, and this shows the script. It has generated this script. As you can see, it says, "Hey there, fellow content creators. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make your content engaging for your YouTube audience." And blah blah. And you go down, it'll say, in summary, to make your content engaging for your YouTube audience, focus on high quality content, engage with audience, and blah blah. And at last, it also says, thanks for watching. So that's going to be the script for your video, and just click OK here, and now click generate, or you can click on this generate directly, or you can go here first, click here, and you can choose voice, any voice. Okay, like this one.
Hey there.
So this is voice of a lady. If you are a guy, you can choose any guy
Hey
voice like
there.
this. Let's see, what's this?
Hey there.
Okay, that's good.
Hey there.
Okay, joy. I think joy is better, so I'm going to click on joy and then generate, and you get these two options: smart generation and local materials. Local materials is where you have your own materials like pictures and videos and sounds, and CapCut is going to use them to make or generate an AI video. But here we're going to choose smart generation, so that we don't need to use anything. Uh, no voiceover, no background music, no photos, no videos. Everything will be done by AI. Click on smart generation and just wait. So it's generating the video. It's not even going to take too long. So as you can see, if you remember, I had written that this is going to be a 1 minute long video. So the script is for a 1 minute long video that's going to be uploaded on YouTube. It's going to be about how to make an engaging content for YouTube. And if you make that with your own materials, it's gonna take a long time, maybe even a whole day. But with this AI tool, you're gonna make that video in like few minutes, less than 10 minutes, maybe 5 minutes, not more than that. Okay, so we are almost there. 98%, 99, and 100. Okay, we are ready with the video. So as you can see, this has this text layer and then pictures and voiceover and then background music. So let's click on play.
Hey there, fellow content creators. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to make your content engaging for your YouTube audience. First things first, your content should be of high quality. That means it should be informative, entertaining, and answer the
Okay, so as you can see, it's it's not bad, you know. The voice is so clear and it's kind of energetic, and the uh, background music matches with the voice and the pictures and everything, and everything looks cool. Let's go to the last part.
tips. You'll be well on your way to creating engaging content that will keep your viewers coming back for more. Thanks for watching.
Okay, as you can see, the AI is using, these pictures, diagrams and all that that match with the script. So this is how you create an AI generated video for your YouTube channel. So everything is done. You just need to go to export and then export your video and then upload this to your channel. So yeah, that's everything. You just need CapCut, nothing else, and you just need an idea. Not even like a perfect idea. Just choose a topic and tell the AI the topic and ask AI to write a script based on that topic. That's all you need to do. Okay, so yeah, I hope you like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel.